Hello and welcome back to the second part of my video. I have just logged into Redbubble and these are my designs I'm scrolling through. I'm going to manage my portfolio and then copy the basics of one of my designs, which will be the rainbow blue moustache bird, because I don't know what it's called. Right, so first I'm going to change the title of the piece and especially the image, because yeah. So the image was originally of the moustache bird, and this is my blue solo bird on a rock. So yeah. Trying to type it in with my pen once again. On the rocks even. And then I alter the tags. As you can see. I take forever to alter tags. And this is me just typing in every single tag word there is that I could possibly think of at the time. Yeah, in freestyle, basically. I was lazy and left the description the same, so wasn't too much typing. Right, so I picked the background colour to cover most of the images, otherwise it would have shown up as black or white, which is really important because I want it to kind of blend in with the image. So now, as you can see, me going down my list, it was matching up with the colours. I disabled some of the items because I figured out that they just wouldn't work with my design. With it being a small design, it wouldn't work for a majority of the products on Redbubble. So it's magnets, stickers, postcards, pillow, artboard, and some other bits, I think, possibly. So this is me just going through and correcting the designs as I would want them to be. And also, yeah, using the options I have, which is quite nice and quite simple, really. The block print I made larger because I copied the settings from another piece I had done in a similar formation and way, and I used that to create this image and its products. So right now I'll sort out the acrylic blocks and coasters. I didn't want the other bird from the image to come through, so there would be two birds in the image. I did not want that. I only wanted to have one bird in the image. So I've done cute little pin button badges. I think they're my favourite personally. And I disabled the masks and then disabled the pet bowls and the backpacks, and then I set my settings up again to the different and various like I set the settings on the image as to what category they fit in, what item should show up first when they look at the listing. Also, I then, mature content, no. My work, yes. And then, voila. We have my image on products at long last. And I hero preview some of my images. Like, the tote bag does look cool. If it loads. It does load. I know this because I recorded the video. It was because I was trying to use the pen. So basically, that's what the tote bag will look like. And that's what the notebook would look like, which I think is pretty cute. It's basic, but it's cute. The coasters actually look okay. I'm quite happy with that. As you can see, simple basic design, blue, rocks, bird. And then, I think that's everything. So, oh yeah, and postcard image. No, artboard image. This is good. It looks quite cool. But yeah, I do believe that is the last one. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay. Love, light, and peace.